Smart Comp 2's intelligent features aren't just about quickly finding suitable settings. The unique spectral compression dynamically smooths out tonal imbalances and applies compression only where it's truly needed. Smart Comp 2 is compressing this drum loop specifically below 500 Hz to retain a crisp sound. By reducing the spectral compression, the gain reduction becomes more uniform across the spectrum. Smart Comp 2 lets me control the spectral compression in different ways. The color parameter allows me to go for either a brighter or a darker sounding spectral compression. I can also restrict the spectral compression's frequency range. Spectral Link allows you to handle the compression behavior outside the selected range for spectral compression. When Spectral Link is set to 0, classical broadband compression will be applied outside of this range. When Spectral Link is set to 100, no compression will be applied outside of the selected range. In this drum loop, I want to apply broadband compression to the lows, so I set the Spectral Link to 0 to make the kick sound more aggressive, while applying spectral compression to everything inside the range. The result is a controlled and full kick with transparent hi-hats and snare. Smart Comp 2's spectral processing works great with external sidechain signals. In this example, I want the bass track to allow more room for my kick drum so that it stands out better in the mix. I've already selected the kick track as my external sidechain signal. After clicking the external sidechain button, Smart Comp 2 will be triggered by the external sidechain, thereby carving out space in the bass track for the kick drum. This will give my kick more punch in the mix without the pumping effect that's typically caused by broadband ducking.